Discover the future of air distribution installation with Zender's intuitive Rapid Lock connection technology. Rapid Lock is the perfect partner for Zender ComfoTube. The talc-coated seal reduces friction and ensures an airtight connection. Connecting ductwork is easier and faster than ever with Rapid Lock's pre-installed clip. Press in the tube, wait for the click, and you're set. This means no greasing gaskets, as well as time and effort saved during installation. The connection system prevents accidental unclipping, solid and secure, even when the tube is not fully inserted. In fact, it stays in place when rotated up to 90 degrees. The easy-to-dismount click-out function makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze. Experience hassle-free installation with a Rapid Lock connection, exclusive to Zender. Contact us today and discover how we can transform the way you work.